Here is America's finest tractor in the 50 horsepower class. The all-new Case 400 is not a mere improvement of a prior model, not just refinement of detail, and not just a boosting of horsepower, but a completely new and brilliant concept of a modern farm tractor. The all-new Case 400 is available in models for every type farming. General-purpose models can be equipped with dual front wheels, single front wheel, or the ever-handy adjustable front axle. Then there is the standard four-wheel model, the Grove Orchard model, the Sugar Cane Special, high-clearance vegetable model, Rice Field Special, and Western Special. Case designed and built all new engines for diesel, gasoline, LP gas, or distillate. Take your choice, any engine for any model. The new Case 400 is designed, engineered, and built to fit all of the exacting needs of today's modern farmers. With new Powerdyne gas engine, new PowerCell diesel engine, new Power Range transmission, new hydraulic power steering, new dual control hydraulics, new operating comfort. General purpose models give the operator power in 6 ways: eagle hitch, swinging drawbar, front mounting, constant hydraulics, belt pulley, independent power takeoff. 2 powerful engines give you a choice in the new Case 400. New PowerCell diesel or new Powerdyne engines for gasoline, LP gas, or distillate. Let's consider the many advantages of this new PowerCell diesel engine. The 400 diesel with PowerCell combustion follows the same sturdy design of the Case 500, widely known for its superb performance. Here's what PowerCell combustion does. It functions as a means of controlling combustion for more efficient burning of fuel. It helps eliminate sudden peak pressures at the beginning of the power stroke by obtaining smooth, prolonged combustion with high engine efficiency. This results in excellent fuel economy, smooth running, easy starting, and maximum total power for steady performance. Starting the Case 400 diesel is quick and direct. No auxiliary engine or fuel tank is needed. Simply push the starting button, which actuates the starting motor through a 12-volt system. A sliding tray makes battery servicing easy. A single plunger fuel injection pump receives fuel from the final stage filter and accurately meters and distributes it to each of the 4 injectors. The Case 400 6-point fuel protection system always assures you of clean fuel. Fuel tank breather filter, filtering screen on the fuel tank, water trap on the tank, first stage filter, second stage filter, final stage filter. The first step in safeguarding diesel fuel is the fuel tank breather filter. In the fuel tank itself is a fine filtering screen which removes any dirt or trash as fuel enters the tank. A water trap collects water or sediment that may find its way into the tank. The first stage filter is the edge-wound metal element type, easily removed for cleaning. The second stage filter uses a replaceable element to remove very fine abrasive particles. The final stage filter, a sealed unit type, provides the final filtering action before the fuel reaches the precision injection equipment. Now let's look at Powerdyne gas features. This is a gasoline tractor engine built with the same strength and ruggedness of the Case 400 diesel engine. It has the same stamina and is unusually smooth running and long-lasting. Powerdyne combustion puts a scientific twist into burning of fuel. Incoming mixture whirls past the spark plugs and over the exhaust valves, helping to keep them cool. Detonation is discouraged, and high power and best economy result. Just a look at the heavily ribbed block and reinforcements will convince the observer of the extra strength to be found in the Powerdyne gas engine. Although more costly to build, Case twin-cylinder heads offer many worthwhile advantages. Each serves two cylinders and can be interchanged. They are lighter to handle, easier to fasten down securely to avoid compression and water leaks. Case was one of the first tractor manufacturers to install wet-type cylinder sleeves. The outside surface is machined full length to assure uniform thickness, provide uniform cooling, and utmost freedom from distortion. The electric-hardened, heavy-duty five-bearing crankshaft is a big factor in the smooth operation of all Case engines. Note the bronze end thrust bearings made in the shape of a half circle. Precision liners for both main and connecting rod bearings are of the tri-metal design for durability. Case engines utilize 4 piston rings for better compression and sturdy, strong power. The distributor is gear-driven from the camshaft. Magnetos are standard on LP gas models, optional on others. This heavy-duty air cleaner utilizes both fine mesh screens and an oil bath to remove abrasives from the air. The carburetor can be quickly adjusted for best economy. The Uniflow manifold ensures an even flow of gas mixture into each cylinder for smooth, uniform combustion. The new curved exhaust manifold allows faster escape of exhaust gases, which results in longer life of exhaust valves and improved cooling. Here is an oil filter that is quickly accessible and easily serviced. Filter elements can be quickly replaced. High efficiency of the cooling system on the Case 400 is the result of the efficient radiator, 6-blade fan, and full-length water manifold in the block. Uniform temperatures for most efficient engine operation are maintained by the unique design of the cooling system. During warm-up, the thermostat causes water to bypass the radiator. When best operating temperature has been reached, the thermostat then allows the water to pass into the high-capacity radiator. This new power range transmission provides 8 speeds forward and 2 reverse with supreme simplicity. Only 1 gear set, 1 clutch, 1 shift lever. The shift pattern is simple and natural, progressing logically from the lowest gear to the highest without any bewildering backward moves. Note how easily, how natural the shift can be made from first to second, third to fourth, fifth to sixth, seventh to eighth. The foot clutch pedal on the left side is easily operated either sitting or standing. Hand clutches are standard on the Grove Orchard 400. For spraying, PTO harvesting, cultivating tiny seedlings, 2 creeper speeds are provided, 1.3 miles per hour and 1.8. For heavy tillage, such as plowing and disking, speeds are 2.5 miles per hour, 3.7, and 4.6, thus teaming up speeds with the load or size of implement and soil conditions. For weeders, rotary hoes, mowers, or other machines requiring little power, a speed of 6.6 miles per hour is provided. For highway hauling or lighter chores where road conditions permit, a speed of 9.1 miles per hour can be utilized. And a transport gear of 15.1 miles per hour is also provided. Speeds overlap in each gear as shown in this chart. The Autotype steering wheel is in the natural position for top comfort to the operator. Finger grips make possible quick, short turns. Strong and dependable support to front pedestal assemblies on cultivating tractors for minimum bearing friction has long been a problem in the design of general-purpose tractors. An entirely new approach is adopted in the 400. The vertical load is carried securely on a steel-hardened ball. Here we see the wide steering angle of the Case 400. For modern farmers wanting real operating comfort, the Case 400 fills the bill and more. Just look at the roomy platform. Notice locations of the ignition, hand throttle, foot clutch, PTO clutch, safety platform, starter button, gear shift, brakes, dual control hydraulics, and comfort seat. Adding still more comfort for the operator, is the easily adjusted new comfort seat. Torsional rubber suspension acts as the shock absorber. It tilts up and back for safe standing, and foam rubber cushioning adds to your comfort. Safety is a built-in feature of this new comfort seat. Striking hidden obstructions or sharp ridges could be dangerous to a standing operator, but the comfort seat is there to catch him safely. Here we see what can happen when striking a hidden rock. The driver is thrown off balance, but on the Case 400, the new safety seat is standing by at all times. Self-energizing double-disc brakes make possible short, fast turns and quick, easy stops. Pedals lock together for road travel. The belt pulley is conveniently located on the right side for easy belt alignment. Its own clutch lever gives operator full control. The exclusive self-locking feature of the Case 400 drawbar creates safer, more accurate backing. This swinging feature makes for easier handling of pull-behind loads. The constant running power takeoff is completely independent of the traction clutch in the transmission. The power takeoff clutch can be engaged or disengaged at any time, unaffected by tractor ground speed. With the new Speedy Eagle hitch, the operator can hook up implements sitting down and unhook just as easily. At last, here is a simple, quick fastening one-man operation for mounted equipment. Implements are quickly lifted or lowered. Working depths easily controlled. It is particularly outstanding in contour work. Eagle hitch does not crowd the rear working area of the tractor. Safe, handy steps are provided. 3 quick, safe steps, and you're ready to pull away with Eagle hitch. The new Case 400 has a wide selection of front wheel arrangements. Dual front wheels or the single front wheel, adjustable front axle, or the standard 4-wheel front axle. As hydraulic control of mounted implements and pull-behind machines increases, the hydraulic system found on the 400 becomes more desirable. The new constant-running dual-control hydraulic system permits raising, lowering, and adjusting depth of implements. This same hydraulic system permits use of a remote ram. The Case 4-row cultivator is an example of hydraulics put to work. You have selective and delayed control of front or rear gangs with 2 handy levers. And once you've seen the all-new Case 400, its sleek 2-tone styling will captivate your interest and delight. Here is genuine magnificence in modern farm tractors. Not mere improvement, but a completely new concept in modern agricultural power. Whatever crops you grow, there is a model of the Case 400 to fit their culture. Whatever fuel is the best buy in your community, there's a Case 400 engine built to give you outstanding power and best economy. Why not make your farm work easier with a new Case 400? A thrill awaits you at your Case dealers in the Case 400. It's a beauty to behold, exciting to handle, and a dream to drive. Why not give yourself the joy of owning America's finest tractor in the 50-horsepower class?